You have to be watching this video if you're after a case for your iPhone 13 or 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 mini. We've got lots of cases to get through. A lot of videos on this channel did really well last year, and because of that, manufacturers have reached out asking if I'd review cases this year. So we've got a lot of early access to some of the cases that are going to be available for your new iPhone 13s. So while you're here, make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Give this video a like, it really does help me and the channel out, helps it grow. Join the community and stay up to date with all the news on all the latest cases coming out for iPhone 13. First of all today though, the Halolock cases from ESR. Now we've done some reviews on ESR cases in the past, and I only review cases on this channel which I would use myself. I'm not going to review any rubbish, and trust me, I got sent a lot of rubbish. I get a lot of rubbish emails in my inbox and in my junk mail saying can you check out these cases, but I will not review them if I don't think they're good enough and it's something that I would use. So I would definitely use these cases from ESR. They're very, very good quality, and they've sent me 3 here to check out. These new cases have their Halolock magnetic case system, which not only works with all Apple accessories, magsafe, the Apple MagSafe wallet, also it works with all of ESR's accessories. They've got a bunch of magnetic charging Halolock accessories like chargers, card holders, car holders as well for when you're traveling around in the car. This magnet in here is extremely strong. It's not going to let you down. It's just as good as Apple's own brand. Last year I would have recommended Apple's own brand cases over any third-party ones, but this year it's a totally different case. Pun intended. Actually, no, pun not intended, but it worked out really well. Okay, so we've got the hybrid one with the Halolock system. They fit really well. Now, they do fit the iPhone 12, although the iPhone 13 is just a smidge 1.5 millimeters thicker this year because of the increased battery capacity. They do fit, so I've put these on there, and I've got some interesting things to show you about the design of the iPhone 13. We all think it's very similar, but it's just slightly different. There's a few different changes going on. What we can see straight away with the new design of the iPhone 13 is that the camera module is a lot bigger. Look at that. The camera is going to be there. These cases all feature their camera guard. It's an extremely prominent lip on top of here. The iPhone 13 cameras do stick out a little bit more. They do protrude from the back of the case a little bit more. So these have got a nice camera guard on there to protect it. This is just a hybrid one. It's got the air cushioning corners. It's got all the cutouts, all very accurate. But we can see from the cutouts and the buttons here that they are different on the sides. So the power button is a little bit lower on the iPhone 13 on the side, and the rocker switch is a little bit lower as well. So the switches are all moved down just a little bit on the side. So they fit, but the iPhone 12 won't work with these cases. It's a totally different design. Everything's moved around a little bit. The ports on the bottom though are the same. The speakers and the charging port is exactly the same. We've also got their Air Armor case, which just has a little bit more chunk, a bit more protection around the corners there. That's really going to help with drop protection. A lot of these have scratch resistant rears as well. Crystal clear. They just look really nice cases, and of course all these cases, like I said before, feature this camera guard and the Halolock. This one though, this one is my favourite, their Cloud Soft case. Really nice soft TPU silicone. The Halolock in the middle again, so in black so it blends with the background. The nice felt interior, so it's going to help with micro scratches on the backside when you take it in and out, and you're not going to get any dust in there. Really nice feeling to this. You're not getting any fingerprints on there either, I've noticed. A lot of TPU cases are like fingerprint magnets, but this one feels really nice. Really nice case. Going to fit very well. This is going to be probably the first one I put on my iPhone 13 Pro, hopefully when I get it. Sierra Blue. We'll see. Like I said, stay tuned. We've got early access to a lot of new cases coming as well when the iPhone 13 is released on Friday. I'm going to be getting those hopefully in my hands this week before it's released. So I'm hopefully going to be doing a giveaway. I've got lots of other accessories that ESR have sent me. Their car charger and their MagSafe alternative charger for your desk. And we've done a video on those before, but they've sent me some other ones. So I might be doing a live stream. So stay tuned. On that live stream, I'm going to be giving away some of these accessories to you guys out there for say thanks for all the support you've been giving me over the last couple of years. Subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, and that is it. Just a quick first look at some of the cases that are going to be available for your iPhone 13 Pro. See you next time. Bye guys. Appreciate you watching, guys. Thanks again. Make sure you do subscribe and press the notifications on so you don't miss any uploads. Drop us a like, it really does help the channel. Check out the podcast, it's a lot of fun over there. Also, you might like this other video. Thanks for watching.